Well, hello and welcome to another Moto showcase. I'm X0 and today I'm going to show you an interesting item which Scorpio happened to found, which is this rear fender with the Swingarm guard for the Yamaha R3. Now this item is actually meant for the older model, the version 1 of the R3. However, I believe the fitment should be the same. You can see. Let me just show you the other side, which is quite interesting. Has this nice grills or fins, I should call it. And also to install this fender, we will need the Swingarm spools, which I got from R&G, which will attach at the bottom and secure the rear fender in place. So before we do so, I'm going to repair the swing arm area, remove the chain guard, which is actually missing from this fender, and use the existing holes to secure the fender into the swing arm. So on the right side of the swing arm, we'll need to remove this holder here for all these hoses, because it will obstruct the installation. So all you need is a size 10 socket, and you will just unscrew it. Unscrew this bolt here and maneuver out the holder. Let's put this down before it hits everything. Right, so you can see how it works is it goes out. Got to remove the bolt first actually, because it's like clamping the entire hoses area. Right, so just move out this section. Just be careful, don't tear your hoses. Right, you can see this section here. Should come right off. Maneuver this through, and your holder is out. Now on the left side of the swing arm, we have the chain guard. Should need a size 5 Allen key, which we will be using the same bolts, I guess, for the mounting of the fender. It should come off quite easily. And mentioned just now the mounting points for the rear fender. Alright, next up we have to remove this rear mud guard here. Just got to use the size 8 socket, but I've already loosened the bolts, so it's faster and easier for you to see. It's pretty straightforward actually, and it's actually quite narrow, this area. Right, just take note there's the area where the bolt is mounted. Okay, I managed to get this one out. Right, that's it. It's a pretty tight fit. Just take note of the these pins. So either you screw it back into the nut here, or you take it out completely so that you don't lose this nut here. Okay, now I'm going to mount the fender. Just try to maneuver it through. On the right side there is the hoses, so you'll need to move it aside so that you can slot it nicely, and then make this go over, and then you can slide it through. just be careful the front there's the mounting area which will block everything. There we go. Let me just adjust the right side first and the left side, and it should mount nicely. Let me just bolt in the left side of the Swingarm cover first. You can see the original bolts. It's the bolt and comes with this washer, some kind of spacer which juts out a bit. So if you want, you can install it on the mounting hole, or you can put it in between of the Swingarm cover and the mounting. But for me, I guess I'm gonna just bolt it right through using the Allen key and save this for the Swingarm, the chain guard. So anyway, before you put it in, don't forget that you can throw this away, or if you want to still use it, you can just push it aside so you can slot this in, and the bolt should go nicely. Let me just get the thread in first. It's going to get quite tricky, but once you get it, you should thread right through. Okay, readjust accordingly. Okay, now do it for the front bolt as well, and at least the left side will be secured. Alright, so for the right side, there's only like one mounting point, which is on this area here. You can see there's two holes. The first one, the screw can actually thread right through. I'm not too sure whether it's meant to use this screw or not, but it doesn't seem to go through. And the bottom one is with the thread. So we'll use the R&G spool for your jack or stands. And what I noticed is, if we just use the spool by itself, there's not much clearance and you cannot screw it all the way because of the space. So what I did is I jammed in a bunch of washers, and even used the washer or spacer from the chain guard to make a bit of space. So like I said, this section, okay, like I said, the rubber piece, just pull it out a bit so you can slot in, align everything, and thread through using the size 5 Allen key. Not too sure if it's too much. I will just try and see how many washers I need, or you can get like a more thicker spacer. But for now, for the sake of this install, I am going to use all my washers. Okay, this can be quite tricky, so just need to thread through the bottom one. You can see I'm getting the wrong hole. Alright, I think I got it. Slowly thread through, line up everything in place first. Right, now just all we need to do is just tighten this. Just be careful not to go so tight, and I'll show you the other side as well with the R&G spool installed. Okay, so here's the left side of the spool. You can see I have did like some kind of a spacer as well for this side, so there is some clearance for the Swingarm cover. Okay, so I have completed the install. This is the left side loop of the rear fender with Swingarm guard. Let me just show you the right hand side now. Alright, so this is the right hand side look of the rear fender, and that completes the install for today. As you can see, it looks very nice with the big bike look to it. For the rear fender, it combines all the way to the Swingarm guard. So hope you enjoyed watching this install video. Got any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the comment section below. check out more pictures of this rear fender in all the social media channels, Facebook, Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Moto Showcase. I'm X0 and I'm signing out.